Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a Depop Seller account. First, you need to download the Depop app. It is available on the App Store for iPhone and on Google Play Store for Android. If you prefer using a web browser, you can also sign up directly on the Depop website. The app is simple and user-friendly, so the selling process is easy to follow. Once you have installed the app, open it and tap on the sign up button to create your account. You can register using your email or link your Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. Make sure you choose a unique username that represents your brand well, because this is the name buyers will see in your shop. Next, set up your profile. This is your chance to make a good first impression. Add a profile picture. You can use a logo if you want a brand look, or a personal photo if you want your shop to feel more personal. Then write a short bio that tells buyers what kind of items you sell. You can mention vintage finds, streetwear, or handmade items. Adding your location is also helpful because it makes it easier for local buyers to find your shop. Now, to switch to a Depop seller account, go to your settings and then open the selling hub. Here, you will need to connect your PayPal account, which is needed for receiving payments. Depop may also ask you to verify your identity, which can include uploading an ID. Finally, here are a few tips for new Depop sellers. When you list your items, take clear photos in natural light so your products look their best. Use relevant keywords and hashtags so people can find your listings more easily. Also, reply quickly to buyer messages because that can improve your shop rating. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.